And this is the little armrest, Solvefunction 3D printed armrest right here. So this is pretty cool. This goes on. So as you can see, it's already got some 3M tape right here. And this thing mounts like flush to right here, the weather stripping. So what I'm gonna do is gonna peel this off. I'm gonna make sure this is as clean as I can. You can pretty much fit this anywhere you want along here, whatever. Like if you want to put your arm more over this way, you could probably do that. But I think I'm gonna mount mine like right here. This feels the most comfortable for me. Like my driving position, I'm usually leaned back like this. So when you find a place where you want to mount it, now we're gonna put alcohol pad right here. Alcohol pads or some rubbing alcohol, whatever you can find. You just want to get as clean as possible. Peel this off. Mount that right. Here. There. All right. So that's how you install the Solvefunction armrest on the 80 series. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment down below if you got any questions, and I'll see you in the next one. All right, the AZcruiser out.